See what kind of goodie we got right here. I always do with more money. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have did that. Oh well. Well, what you jumping down for? Well, now you're doomed now. You gotta climb back up. Give me a free shot. Go ahead and pillage your automobile. Put one into his leg. Two flips. Shoot, Leon should be a fucking wrestler instead of a fucking secret agent. Make more money that way. Yeah, nigga flexible and shit. Whoa, where you come from? Oh. Well, you finally got through the door. Oop. Damn, I forgot to push that switch. Okay, damn, I'm such a dumbass. The other one. Yeah, let's take the long way. Can't believe I ain't pushing while I was over there. Oh! Hell to the no, pimp. You gonna pay for that. Put one into you. Put another one in the head. Okay, didn't expect that, but I'll take it. Oh, no you don't. You're not jumping on the hand I'm jumping on. Can't believe I ain't pushed this mug when I was up here. I'm such a dumbass. Jump down. Jump down. Not on the hand. Damn it. Ah, shit. Damn. Run, Leon, run. The giant statue walking. Yo. Yo. Wow, it even punches? Cool. I want a giant statue that does that too. Just walk, punch shit. Shit. Hell, that's the ultimate power right there. Shit, you get like 4 giant helicopters. Shoot, drop it in the city and just blow shit up. Hell, you want to rule the world? Shit. Yeah, you can do it with that. Woo! Always leave me to do things the hard way. I know I'm gonna get, so shit. Gonna be prepared to use it. Here we go. Pop. Oh, your little friend was going too? Pop him too. Okay, I'm gonna get back some, see if I can see that dude switch. What the? Where'd he go? Don't tell me that explosion and death was him. Who killed him? Well, whoever killed him, you have my thanks. Okay, I think I know who killed him. guy up there with the bombs. Kinda idiotic to kill someone who wasn't there. I got him with the barrels. Push these down right quick. Trying to kill you. Don't you do anything idiotic. Okay, I guess that's all. Trying to go down and kill some people. Get money. Oh, you're trying to be smart. Trying to take the short way. The safe way. Well, it's not really safe now. Come on. There might come on behind me. Hurry up, man. What's taking you? There we go. I'm gonna go up here and take this green area. Yep. Gonna need that. Somebody's still coming up. Where is he? Oh, there you go. Damn, they fall all the way down. Whoa. Shit, I'll bet I'll shoot him with the pistol. Well, too late. Where that guy at? That red guy. Okay, he right there. Can't hit him from there though. Time to die. I'll take that money off you. Should have like what, 55? See how much you got. Yep, 55. I guess nobody had. I guess either the money disappeared or they landed somewhere else, which I doubt it. They fell all the way down. Yeah, it must have disappeared on me. I guess it went fast enough. Let's go and take this up. Oop, wrong way. I was already. The only thing I had to do is turn around. Trying to ride you on the elevator up. Now where that guy is? Probably a guy. Where are you? Where are you? There you go. Oh shit. Fucker. There'll probably be one more guy. And there he goes. I can't hit him from here. Let me get my sniper. Ah! Dead. Wanna punch a hole through your fucking head, but I don't. Shit. Hell with it. Whoa, that was close. Get off this elevator. Fuck it, I'm on shit. Time limit almost up, but hurry up and get this shit done. I thought you could jump down there on the side. Must be on the other side. But hurry up. Ammo. More ammo. They were gonna need that for the Salazar battle. Alright, this is the 10-minute mark. So hurry up. I know there might be more goodies, but time is running out. I'm just going to go save.